Platinum against US dollar. We can see in the previous week has felt in value after the prices formed this indecision candle, formed this bearish candle going below 923.26, reaching 908 support level and bouncing back up. After that, the price formed this bullish breakout, reaching 943.31 in the area here, which is a supply zone, and then the price returned back down. Now we can see the week has closed as a bearish candle, but also we can see this candle body could not go below 923.42. We can see a support level visible here. A monthly time frame has just started, so we cannot make too much conclusions, but we can see the price has reached very important support level, an area. It is a demand zone around this support 895.14. Will the price manage to go even more down, or it will return back up? This will be much more clear visible on the weekly and the daily time frame. The week, we can see the weekly time frame shows us currently the price is heading up very close to 943.31, and it is very important resistance level. Also, we can see 957.56 is much more important because this resistance level has held the price for several weeks. The daily time frame will show much more clear information, and we can see how the price behaves. Currently, the price is heading to 943.31 resistance level. Will the price manage? If it goes above, makes a bullish breakout, we can see that the next level will be 957.56. If the price goes below 923.26, it will go below towards to 908.30. Currently, where the price is, we can see this is the area where usually price is bouncing between these two price levels, and we can see the price has stopped between this resistance level 980.32 and below 908.30 until the price managed to go above this area, which means above this one, or below this one, which is 895.14. The price seems bouncing between these two price levels, and we need to find and see a clear breakout outside of this area. Will the price manage? We'll see on the daily time frame, but for now, as it looks, it is expected the price will bounce between these two price levels, like we can see that for several weeks in the past. This is all for today. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.